I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chrysler 300 headlight assembly. First, gather your tools, including a trim tool, ratchets, and sockets in 10mm, 8mm, and 7mm sizes. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Then, open the hood to prepare for the initial steps of bumper removal. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your headlight assembly. Now, let's start removing the front bumper. Begin by using a trim tool to carefully remove the push pins located across the top of the bumper. Next, move to each wheel well and remove the 3 push pins securing the fender liner. Gently peel back the fender liner to reveal a 10mm bolt on each side. Remove these 2 bolts to free the upper corners of the bumper. This step is crucial for gaining access to the headlight assembly. With the upper bumper loose, proceed to remove the 7mm bolts from the belly pan underneath the vehicle. Disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or side markers. Now, carefully pull the entire bumper assembly straight off the vehicle and set it aside. You will then see the headlight assembly. Remove the 4 8mm or Torx 30 bolts securing the headlight. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight assembly, and it will be free. To install your new headlight, first connect the electrical harness. Then, carefully align the new headlight assembly and secure it with the 4 8mm or Torx 30 bolts. Next, realign the front bumper, ensuring all tabs and clips engage correctly, and push it firmly into place. Reinstall all the push pins and the 7mm and 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Finally, test your new headlight assembly to confirm it functions properly and is correctly aimed for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.